Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Olivia and I have stars on my face. So I'm gonna do my makeup, a little updated makeup routine. I've been doing a little bit different and I get some requests on my makeup all the time, so I think, you know, let's just do it. I don't really think we should ramble on about it too much, and I think I should just get right on into it. So I'm just gonna pull my hair back like that and pull off my little stars. I feel like these star ones like don't work that good, and I should definitely, I want the Mighty Patch ones, but I can't find them anywhere. Where do you find those? Okay. I got this primer from my Ulta advent calendar. Christmas is literally in like 3 days, so I'm so excited. But it's just mattifying. I'm gonna try it. I've never used this before, but whatever. So the concealer I've been using lately is just the Tarte Shape Tape. I went back to this one. I was using the NARS, but then I ran out. And I'm low-key running out of this one, but so I just cover my like acne parts up first, and then or just like any kind of imperfections, redness, that kind of stuff. So then I just blended that out. I'm like really going into depth right now, and I don't know why, because it's kind of self-explanatory and like the basic stuff that I always do in my makeup videos, which I don't always do them, but yeah. I've gotten comments like, your makeup's always the same. Why do you always do these? And I'm like, it's not though. Like, it's not exactly the same. Like, I changed up my eye look recently, so I'll be showing you guys that, but it's not totally the same. Let's go like kind of in the inner corners. This is how I've been doing my concealer. In the inner corners and then the outer corners, like that. And this just kind of doesn't like drag your eyes down. Instead, it kind of lifts them and brightens them up. Now, okay, so the powder I have been using is this, I don't even know, HD Flawless Setting Powder. This is what it looks like. I don't know, it's my mom's. It's like white, but I kind of really like it. If you put too much, I think it gives a little flashback if you're taking flash photos, so keep that in mind. But I do like the brightness of it, and it feels really soft on. So I just put this like in that under eye area where I put the concealer. I'm gonna also put some right here, and some right here, and right here, and right around my smile lines, just because those crease really freaking easy. I've used this brush for my contour. Literally, if you go back to my first ever makeup video, this was the brush I used. But so I've been using the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Tantric, this big guy. I got it from a Marshalls or TJ Maxx, so I did not pay full price for it. And I just put that, you know, just the basic kind of warming up my face. I'm not really contouring, but just bringing some warmth to my face, because all the like powder or the concealer kind of just makes me look dull. So, but what I've been doing different is I bring it onto my cheeks almost like it's the blush, and then obviously I do my forehead, and you know the deal with that. Yeah, I just put it kind of everywhere just to warm up my face. I think it looks better. Put it like right onto my chin, like right on it. Kind of drag it under here a little bit, and then I get a big fluffy brush. Oh, big fluffy brush, and just drag it all down my neck to kind of make it all match each other. I will get my sponge again, and that's how I take off the powders. I just kind of press it in. And I've been using this Elote, I don't know how to say it. This glow palette, this is what it looks like. Oh, hi, look at you. Ooh. But this is what it looks like. I have these 3 colors. I take this one in the tiniest bit of this color onto the same brush, or I'll grab a different brush, doesn't really matter. Just grab a little bit of that, a little bit of that, tap it off, and that's what I use kind of as my blush color. It's just kind of gives me a really bronzy, glowy look, and I really been liking it. I'll take the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I just spray my base with that so that it kind of just makes it melt into my face a little bit. And then it's time to do my eyebrows. I'm doing my eyebrows the same, I think, as my last video, if I did them that way, but basically I just comb them out, and then I use this end of the brush, and I lick it, or I could spray something, but I just lick it, if I'm being honest, like this, to make it like wet and a little thinner. And then I just use eyeshadow. Is that ratchet? Eyeshadow out of my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I just kind of fill them in. So I'll skip over that just because I think I've done it in another video before, so I'll skip over that. But yeah, from the Jaclyn Hill palette, a little bit of this, and then I take this brown shade and a little bit of the black. Okay, my eyebrows are done now. I zoomed in a tiny bit more, but so I just filled them in, brush them upwards, and then I'll put some clear brow gel. This is just the Anastasia one, or Anastasia, whatever. And I just comb them, kind of lay the ends back down because they get kind of crazy. That's my eyebrows. Woo! I have this bad habit right now of doing that with everything. Like, ugh. So what I've been doing, it's different than my normal stuff, but I've been really digging it. So I grab a brown eyeshadow. I don't know why I just blew that without even opening it, but I've either been using this Ulta one, just it's like a duo, I got it in my advent calendar, just a matte brown eyeshadow, or I'll grab the Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill one that I have, and grab a brown shade out of there. But today, what am I feeling? Today, I go with one from the Morphe palette just for I can do a little bit lighter instead of the dark brown. But I just grab the brown shade. I'm gonna grab just like kind of a neutral brown shade, and then I throw it right on my crease. There's no like precision here. Oops, I just grabbed the wrong color. Wipe. There's no like crazy precision. I just kind of stick it on my eyeball. Actually, I think I am going to use some of the dark brown from the Ulta. This is the just little Ulta Duo matte eyeshadow in the shade, Lord knows because it doesn't say. But I just I'll grab it with my finger and just put it straight under my lid. Like this. But basically just matte browns is what I've been really into wearing right now. And I think it looks really good. And just pretty, so. I actually got some questions, I think either on TikTok or Instagram about it, because someone wanted an eye look, and I'm like, yo, it's so simple. I literally just slap brown matte eyeshadow on my eyeballs, and it's that easy. Then from the Morphe Jaclyn palette, whatever, I grab the light shimmery, this light shimmery color, and I stick that on my inner corners and on my nose for my like nose highlight. And then on my nose. I do a little bit higher than the actual point of my nose just to give my nose that like real buttony little shape. You know? Okay. And now this happens like here and there. I'll grab my blush brush and actually add a little extra pinky color. This is just a Milani blush in Wild Rose 13. And I just get it, it's matte, just pink, and I get it and I just add a little bit more pink to my cheeks. So I just curl my eyelashes with, I don't even know where this is from. Has no like brand name on it, I don't know, but it's just a eyelash curler. And I just curl my eyelashes. I actually bought a new one because this one's really crusty, but then it didn't work, so I'm back to using this old one. And my mascara, I either go between my all-time favorite, my one that I've always worn, which is just the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Biggest question, this is it. Get this mascara. So good. Love it. L'Oreal Lash Paradise. L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Really good. It's in a pink bottle. It's like $10. Target. Or I'll go to the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Both L'Oreal. Come through. But I go between these two. They're both really good. This one's for really nice long spread out eyelashes. This one gives a lot of volume to my eyes. I kind of go like back and forth on the lashes to really coat them, but it is so good, like immediately so good. I always get mascara on my eyelids. I don't know how to stop that. Adding a little bit of this one, so you just kind of. There's the mascara. I don't do bottom mascara all the time. I did for a little while, then I stopped again, and I just haven't been doing it. So now I'm gonna do my lips, but I'm gonna go like exfoliate them a little bit, and then I'll come back. So, okay, my lips are nice and exfoliated, and now I just kind of get my sponge and I go over them, just to make it not red around my mouth when I like, you know. And then I wear only lip liner. Actually, I don't wear like lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that. Well, it changes, but I go through so many different ones. I really like the NYX lip liners. This one is in the color Soft Spoken. Is that what I want to use? This is basically like the perfect match to my natural lip color. Like that. I'm actually gonna use this light one. It's NYX in the color Nude Suede Shoes, and I'm just gonna go on the middle of my mouth. And that is my lip liner, and that's actually my makeup look. Now I'm gonna top it off with more of the all-nighter spray. That is the makeup look, y'all. Do you like it? Do we love it? My eyeshadow's different. I have like a darker eyeshadow going on. My like bronziness is a little different, but this is the makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed or took something from this. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe for me. Subscribe for more of me if you are newer here. Oh my god, why can't I talk? Subscribe if you're new here for more of me, if you're, you know, if you want to. Comment. Let's talk in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Here's like a close-up if you want to see it. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Peace.